Ever wondered why hydration is so important for your health? Well, let's dive into this mystery. Imagine your body as an intricate machine with hydration as its oil. Without enough of it, things start to slow down, grind, and eventually break. Hydration plays a pivotal role in flushing out toxins, aiding digestion, and keeping the skin glowing. It's the unsung hero that keeps the wheels of our body's machinery spinning smoothly. It helps in transmitting signals to your brain, lubricating joints, and even regulating body temperature. It's not just about quenching thirst, but about ensuring the seamless functionality of our bodily systems. Now, what if I told you there's a way to supercharge this hydration process? A method that not only quenches your thirst, but also provides a power-packed nutritional punch. Yes, we're talking about the humble chia seed, a powerhouse of nutrients and a hydration champion. But how does one supercharge their hydration routine? Have you heard of Chia Water? Chia seeds, tiny yet packed with a powerful punch. These humble seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a myriad of health benefits. Imagine a food so nutrient-dense that it keeps the Aztecs running for days. That's chia for you. Let's dive into what makes these minuscule seeds so magical. First up, they're brimming with dietary fiber. A mere ounce of chia seeds contains nearly 11 grams of fiber. That's almost half of the daily recommended intake. Next, they're a fantastic source of protein, especially for those following plant-based diets. Plus, they're loaded with all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Let's not forget about omega-3 fatty acids. These seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of these essential fats, crucial for brain health. Lastly, they're packed with antioxidants, which help fight off harmful free radicals in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Impressive, right? But how do these tiny seeds turn into a super hydrating drink? Creating chia water is simpler than you might think. You don't need any fancy gadgets or obscure ingredients. All you need is a tablespoon of chia seeds, a glass of water, and a little patience. Let's dive right into the process, shall we? Step 1. Grab a tablespoon of chia seeds. Now you might be wondering, why a tablespoon? Well, it's the perfect amount to get all the benefits these tiny powerhouses have to offer, without overwhelming your system. Plus, it's an easy measurement to remember. Next, you'll need a glass of water. Any kind will do, but filtered is always best. Pour your chia seeds into the water. Now, don't just leave them there. Give them a good stir to make sure they're evenly distributed. You don't want any clumps of seeds, as they can be a bit unpleasant to drink. Now comes the waiting game. You'll want to leave your chia seeds soaking in the water overnight. This allows them to absorb the water and expand, creating a gel-like consistency. This might not sound particularly appetizing, but trust me, it's a texture that's surprisingly refreshing and satisfying to drink. While your chia seeds are soaking, feel free to go about your evening. Read a book, catch up on your favorite show, or get a good night's sleep. Your chia seeds will be working their magic while you rest. In the morning, you'll find that your chia seeds have transformed the water into a thick, nutrient-rich drink, but we're not done yet. For a final touch, add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey. This not only adds a burst of flavor but also enhances the health benefits. Lemon provides a dose of vitamin C, while honey offers natural antibacterial properties. Stir everything together one last time, and there you have it. A glass of chia water brimming with nutrients and ready to start your day off right. And just like that, you have your glass of supercharged hydration ready to consume. So, what makes this humble glass of chia water so powerful? Well, let's dive into the remarkable benefits of this simple yet potent beverage. First up, chia water can be a fantastic partner in your weight loss journey. The tiny chia seeds are packed with dietary fiber, which keeps you satiated, curbing those midday snack cravings. Next, we have the benefit of improved gut health. The fiber in chia seeds not only aids in weight loss, but also promotes healthy digestion. It acts as a prebiotic, supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can lead to better digestion, reduced inflammation, and an overall healthier gut. But wait, there's more. Chia water is also a natural energy booster. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and iron, all of which contribute to maintaining high energy levels throughout the day. So ditch that afternoon coffee and reach for a glass of chia water instead. And let's not forget about skin health. The antioxidants present in chia seeds can help rid your body of toxins, leading to clearer, healthier skin. And who doesn't want a natural glow? It's clear that chia water is not just a refreshing beverage. It's a powerhouse of nutrients, a promoter of health, and a simple way to incorporate wellness into your everyday routine. It's not just a drink, it's a lifestyle choice that can bring about significant health improvements. So let's take a quick run through of what we've learned today. We've unraveled the mystery of hydration, and how it's an essential part of maintaining a healthy body. It's not just about drinking 8 glasses of water a day, it's about ensuring our cells are well nourished and function at their best. We've also discovered the magic of chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They have been part of human diets for thousands of years, and it's no wonder why. Next, we mastered the art of making chia water. It's a straightforward process. With just chia seeds and water, it's as easy as mixing them together, letting them sit, and voila, you have a nutritious, hydrating drink. And finally, we delved into the power of chia water. It's not just a refreshing drink, it's an elixir of health. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, aid in weight loss, and even boost energy. It's a simple way to enhance your health, 1 glass at a time. But the beauty of chia water lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can enjoy it as is, add it to your smoothies, or use it as a base for your morning cereal. It's a fantastic way to incorporate more nutrients into your diet. So, are you ready to supercharge your hydration routine with chia water? Your body will thank you for it.